Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of present continuous tense and present tense of be. And to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and try to memorize and repeat sentence by sentence. After this story, I'm going to ask you some question about it. So you should try to memorize. Okay? It is a fine day today. It is a fine day today. The sun is shining. It is not raining. Mr. Jones is with his family. They are walking over the bridge. Mr. Jones and his wife are looking at an aeroplane. The aeroplane is flying over the village. Tim is looking at birds. The birds are flying in the sky. Sally is walking while eating an apple. Well, it's simple, right? Now, please repeat after me, sentence by sentence. It is a fine day today. It is a fine day today. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It is not raining. Mr. Jones is with his family. Mr. Jones is with his family. They are walking over the bridge. They are walking over the bridge. Mr. Jones and his wife are looking at an aeroplane. The aeroplane is flying over the village. The aeroplane is flying over the village. Tim is looking at birds. Tim is looking at birds. The birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. Sally is walking while eating an apple. Sally is walking while eating an apple. Oke. Dalam present continuous tense kita menggunakan pola subjek lalu diikuti oleh to be, am, is atau are, lalu kata kerjanya harus bentuk ing, verb ing untuk menyatakan pekerjaan yang sedang berlangsung sekarang ini. Sedangkan to be dalam bentuk present tense ada 3, yaitu am, is atau are. Dalam cerita ini kita gunakan is untuk yang tunggal subjeknya, seperti it is a fine day today. Sedangkan are digunakan bila subjeknya mereka, you atau we, kita, atau orang yang jumlahnya lebih dari satu, seperti Mr. Jones and his wife are walking. Nah, ini present continuous tense. Kalau tunggal ya Mr. Jones is with his family. Mr. Jones tunggal, okay? Well, now please answer my question about it. Is it a fine day today? Is it a fine day today? Is Mr. Jones with his family? Are they walking over the bridge? What are Mr. Jones and his wife looking? Are they looking at an aeroplane? Is the aeroplane flying over the village? Is Tim looking at birds? Are the birds flying in the sky? What about Sally? What is Sally doing? Alright. Now, what about you? What are you doing now? Are you watching video? Are you studying English? Are you watching television? Are you making conversation with your friends? Are you practicing your English? Well, you should have partners to practice your English. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.